paghanga ng dating NBA player dito nga sa ating kababayan na si Kai Sotto matapos tong malaking panalo na nakuha ng Team Pilipinas 2 days ago kalaban ng China. Yan ay matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating official Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. 2 days ago nga mga bularo, alam naman nating maliban dito sa malaking panalo na nakuha ng Team Pilipinas kalaban ng China na talagang gumawa ng ingay para sa mga Pinoy, marami ring Filipino fans ang labis na kinatuwa etong malaking binunyag ni Chot sa isang panayam after ng laban.
I really don't know. I don't know if I'm still gonna be here for that. I might have coached my last game already as the Gilas Pilipinas coach. So I really don't know. No, I haven't heard anything from management. It is my decision. Like everybody knows, I didn't apply for this job. I didn't volunteer. I was given this mandate. I had already retired from coaching the national team.
Kung saan dahil dyan, kahapon talagang labis na pinag-usapan etong kumalat na rumor regarding sa 7 tao na posibleng pumalit daw sa pwesto ni Reyes. Kung saan ang nasabing listahan, pinangungunahan lang naman ni Coach Tab Baldwin na alam naman nating isa sa best possible option na meron ng Pilipinas sa ngayon. Pero habang wala pang opisyal na kumpirmasyon na inilalabas itong SBP regarding sa balitang yan, ay ating silipin muna mga bularo etong pag-mention mismo ng dating NBA player na si Kyle Anderson dito sa ating kababayan matapos tong kanilang naganap na laban kontra Pilipinas 2 days ago.
They all played great. The young kid Soto, good job. The young kid Soto played well. Buddy right here, 23, I think he played great. He turned the game around with his energy. Defense made good shots. 34 right here played well. They all played great, man. Hats off to those guys. You should be proud of them.